at the moment. It won't last, it's going to get colder again, and it's quite cloudy and breezy for most of us at the moment. And the reason we've got a lot of cloud, we've got a weather front pushing down across the UK, thickening up the cloud and bringing some patchy rain out of Scotland through Northern Ireland into northern parts of England this lunchtime. Drier on either side, but limited sunshine. So mid-afternoon, we've got that rain staggering down through northern England into parts of the Midlands. Quite patchy, not a washout, but there'll be some dampness around. There's been a little bit of rain for a time, just at the moment across the southeast. It might perk up, a bit of brightness, but then that rain will arrive later on in the day. Quite cold still across many southern counties at just 3 or 4 degrees. So a clouding up process from the north across southwest England and Wales. There's that rain across northern parts of Wales. That'll be sliding its way southwards. Quite a breeze as well, quite a blustery wind. So despite temperatures higher than they have been, perhaps not feeling all that comfortable. Briefly 10 degrees in Belfast. It turns brighter but chillier later on in the day, and those conditions pushing down across Scotland as we go through the remainder of the day. So some late sunshine here, and as we go into the night time, so we'll see that weather front, that thicker cloud and patchy rain, continue to move its way down across the remainder of England and Wales. It'll clear the south coast by around about midnight, and then it's a drier story through the early hours. Turning quite chilly again with a fresh northwesterly breeze, and under clear skies we could see a touch of frost, and I guess the risk of 1 or 2 icy stretches. So a fresh old start to Thursday, but a bright one for many of us, particularly for England and Wales. Some welcome sunshine here, staying mostly dry throughout much of the day, but turning to cloud over across Northern Ireland and Scotland, and eventually we'll see some outbreaks of rain arriving from the northwest. Ahead of that, despite the sunshine, it will feel quite chilly again. Temperatures typically around 4, 5 or 6 degrees with a bit of a breeze. Now then, we've got a feature moving down from the northwest, a whole gaggle of fronts there. They will spread rain in across the UK as we go into tomorrow night. Not just rain, there is the risk certainly of some snowfall, particularly for the high ground of Scotland and perhaps parts of northern England as we go into the night. That's one to keep an eye on, but it will mostly be rain, a wet night, the rain splashing its way southwards as we go into the early hours of Friday. It will clear behind and be pushed away by a brisk northerly wind, an increasingly cold northerly wind. That could turn things icy first thing on Friday morning, and the outlook for the weekend is still very chilly.